Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to track your GNC order step by step. Open your confirmation email or GNC account to copy the order number, then go to the GNC tracking page. Enter the order number and your email or phone for verification and view the current status. If the page redirects to a carrier, use the carrier tracking number there. Note delivery windows and contact GNC support if the status seems stalled or unclear. In this video, I will explain how to track your GNC order step by step. When the GNC tracking shows a carrier, copy the carrier tracking number and open the carrier site for more granular updates. Look for estimated delivery windows, scan history, and any held or delayed notices. If the carrier shows local delivery, expect a final update the same day. Keep both GNC and carrier pages open until the package is delivered and signed for. In this video, I will explain how to track your GNC order step by step. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can announce delivery alerts and set reminders for package pickup. If you enjoyed these tips, subscribe and like to help others find the video, and check the description for the link and other deals on this device. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to track your GNC order step by step. If tracking shows a failed delivery or return to sender, read the carrier notes for next steps like pickup or redelivery. Reach out to GNC support with your order number and screenshots of tracking information if you need assistance. For lost or damaged items, initiate a carrier claim and follow GNC instructions for refunds or replacements to resolve the issue quickly and clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.